What's up YouTube, this is JC Audits, just covering the story here. Apparently there was a little bit of issue down here, so we're just going to stay at the bus stop, stay well away from the emergency services, doing a fair amount of work here. As you can see, there was a bit of a problem with this, so it's an MPV. Obviously the fire services did a great job. As I say, I'm not actually filming anything that I shouldn't be. Got a little bit of a story that the drivers of this vehicle got out very quickly, or the driver, and even had time to take their valuables, and there was a big boom and another big boom, and yeah, obviously there was a bit of chaos for a while, and yeah, and the emergency services are doing a great job. There's no need to do anything else in particular. You can see there's a little bit of a traffic jam, a sort of tailback there. And it looks like it's jammed up there on that side. So yeah, don't know I'd say that would definitely, there's no one, I reiterate, no one injured, no one hurt, as far as I'm aware. Because there were multiple reports, a couple of reports from the people that I've spoken to, so no one was injured. So this is a write-off. Clearly, take a big lot of work to get this done. I'd say it's structurally unsound, needs to be written off. That's definitely a category, get off the road, don't, off-road, whatever. Don't want to go get any closer than this. I don't want to add to any sort of disruption, but hopefully you can hear this. There's quite a bit of wind noise today. Quite a bit of tailback, so obviously excellent work by the local fire service, and no doubt the police service as well. So everyone is okay and no one was injured. It's got another police car here, I believe. Police car. Obviously the traffic is quite solid. I have no idea how I was going to get through there. It's really quite a struggle to get through there, I'd say. Look at that, it's really struggling. All cars have to pull up on the green, and there is quite a substantial curb to get onto the green. Yeah, so that's it, really. Yeah. Have you heard anything about this?
No.
Yeah, so Mercedes exploded. It was the drivers managed to get out unharmed, and they took their belongings. And there was 2 booms, and the fire service sorted it out. So it's good. No one was hurt, apparently. So, which is what we need to hear. So that's it, really. Bit of a non-event, really. I'm glad no one was hurt.
Nothing to do with me.
See you later, mate. See you, JC.
Johnny.
Out.